Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can open archive mails in the Gmail app. First, open your Google. Here, open your Gmail app. Here, first we will add some mails into our archive. Now we have moved some of our mails into our archive. Now go to the site section and click on more and then scroll down. At the end, you will see an option of archive. Click on that. Here you can see all our archive mails are shown here. We can right click on it and click on this icon to unarchive it, and it will go to our all mail. And this is how you can open archive mails in your Gmail app. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.